Last thing we want to do here is to plot a lift and a gain chart. We'll start with the gain chart. So let's use the code XY plot, and we named um, the object shown left, and we want to basically plot the gain chart. So this is the code I'm doing that. So let's just do this one more time. So here we can see how much gain we can get as we choose a higher and higher percentage of the sample. So the gain basically tells you what is the percentage of the customers who shown that you can find if you look in the top propensities. So for instance, if we look at the top 20% of the rank of those propensities ranked, we can find just a little over 20% of those customers who actually shortened. So the closer this model is to these shaded region, which is the best we can do, the better the model is. But we can see that we are just a tiny bit, a tad bit better than what we would get in average. Now this depends on the problem, but some problems we can get a higher gain chart, and some other we will be closer to these random um, model, which is what we compared to. But this is basically telling us that we are doing just a tad better than random by using this model. The same thing is using the lift chart. So let me explain what the lift chart is. We would use exactly the same code, except we would use the lift option here. The lift chart here doesn't look as well. Basically, we would be seeing what lift we get if we select uh, the different cutoffs. Now we can see that if we don't have values above 0.30 because that is the highest um, predictions. I mean, those are the highest propensities that we assign to. So we can select the cutoff above that because we really don't have propensities higher than that in our data set. But if we select, let's say, cutoff of, let's say 30%, this is how much lift we would get compared to the average. Now we can see that we just get a tiny better lift up here, but it is not a lot better than what we would get random. And again, it's a matter of how good our model is. And that is expected because, like we said before, we only use the model using just 3 of the predictive variables, and they appear not to be very informative of whether the customer is shortened or not.